The budget has some good aspects which needs to be appreciated, and there are some concerns which need to be looked into and addressed. Good steps are increased capital investment, support to drinking water initiatives, and increasing rural housing. These will accelerate growth as well as have social impact in rural areas. I also welcome the Honourable Prime Minister's thrust on millets. Odisha Millet Mission is a pioneering initiative in the country, and I am happy that millets have been given importance in the budget. The focus on new world technologies like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, etc., is appreciable. These are some of the good aspects of the budget. The focus on primitive tribal groups is a welcome step. I have concerns regarding the drastic reduction of funds for MGNREGS. This will hit the poor people. The reduction in food security budget, along with reduction in procurement, will hit the poor people as well as farmers. About 80,000 crores were spent on procurement in 21-22, while only about 60,000 crores is kept in this budget. This will cause serious problems in selling crops at minimum support price, while in 2022 an amount of rupees 2 lakh crores was spent under national food security. In this budget, only 1.37 lakh crores is kept for this purpose. There has been a decrease or no growth in health and education sectors. Now to the point which Odisha BJP always harps on. The budget provision for Ayushman Bharat PMJAY is rupees 7,200 crores for the entire country, and Odisha spends almost rupees 2,400 crores on BSKY in private facilities alone. If we include government facilities, it would be around rupees 6,000 crores annually under Biju Swasthya Kalyan Yojana. Health is an important priority for our state, and we believe in investing and in sincere efforts. ମୁଁ ଆଶା ରଖିବି ଯେ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ରାଜ୍ୟ ବିଜେପି ନେତୃବୃନ୍ଦ ଆୟୁଷ୍ମାନ ଭାରତ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ନେଇ ଓଡ଼ିଶାବାସୀଙ୍କୁ ଭୁଆଁ ବୁଲାଇବା ବନ୍ଦ କରିବେ। ନମସ୍କାର।